In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sticky header in Wix. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through a website and wish the navigational bar or header would stick to the top as you scroll, you're in luck. This feature, commonly known as a sticky header, is quite useful for making sure your website's navigation remains accessible and user-friendly. Today we'll dive into how you can enable this feature in your Wix site. First, we'll start by heading over to your browser and visiting Wix.com. You'll need to log in using your account details to access your dashboard. If you don't have a Wix account yet, now would be a great time to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your Wix dashboard, showcasing the sites you've created or are in the process of building. Next, locate the site you wish to edit. This can be easily done by navigating to the My Sites section within your dashboard. Once you've found the site, click on Select and Edit Site. This action will take you straight into the Wix Editor, where the magic happens. Within the Wix Editor, we're going to focus on the design elements of your site. You'll notice a side panel filled with various options that allow for site customization. Our goal here is to tweak the header of your site to make it sticky. Look for your site within this editor interface. It should be the main canvas previewed in the center of your screen. Once you have your site in front of you, the next step involves accessing the settings of your site. You can typically find this in the top menu bar or the side panel, depending on Wix's latest user interface adjustments. Now here's where we start setting up our sticky header. From the settings, you'll need to select the option that relates to designing the site's header functions. In this case, what you're looking for is an option referred to as freezes, or under a similar terminology. This is Wix's tool for enabling components such as headers to remain visible as the user scrolls. Click on Freezes, and you'll be taken to the specific options for making parts of your site stick. With a few straightforward clicks, you can ensure that your header becomes a sticky one. Lastly, to make sure everything is working as it should, click on Preview to see your site in action. This is a good opportunity to test the sticky header feature and ensure that as you scroll down your page, the header stays in place just as planned. And there you have it, a sticky header for your Wix site in just a few easy steps. Implementing such changes can significantly enhance user experience, ensuring navigation is always within reach, no matter how far a viewer scrolls down the page. Thank you for following along, and I hope this session empowers you to further customize your Wix site to your liking.